front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this HUAWEI. Begin by opening settings. In them you need to scroll down and choose biometrics and password. Now click on face recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, you can enable or disable raise to wake by clicking over here and then select Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions. Now you can adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to, and when you're ready, choose Home button. Now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!